Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. We'll love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, I love a good easy reach fragrance that you don't even have to think about, right? You could just pick it up, grab, and go. Honey, I have the life of it needs an easy reach fragrance, right? I don't need a heavy fragrance all the time, right? I work from home, as you all know. And so sometimes, honey, I just need to get and go, all right? So I love to do these videos just to give you some maybe recommendations, some thoughts on some easy reach fragrances. But honey, you all know I love a good coconut. I've done this video before. I tried to pick some other easy reach fragrances that I didn't do in that video, and I hope that you all enjoy. But let's get right into it. First up, we have from Vicky, okay? Victoria's Secret. I had to put her first. I absolutely adore and love this fragrance. When I say, honey, Bombshell Isle. This is so good. This gives me a great coconut. If you like an aquatic scent, like a marina type of feel, no, like very much of a fresh and watery, all the things, and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it like definitely gives me like if I had a crystal blue ocean out in front of me, and then like the coconut was sitting in that crystal blue water. That's like the vibe it gives me. It is definitely crystal type of feel. So good and pretty. If you love a good, again, watery type of scent with a coconut, you would absolutely love this, okay? So it gives you this C note. It gives you this peony type of floral. It is so good. It also definitely gives you coconut, and it gives you tonka bean. So it also gives this like warm type of vibe. Oh, it's just so good. So if you can catch this, if this is still at Victoria's Secret, I would highly recommend you get this. I believe I got this last year. This has not done me any wrong. It is so good, sis. You want this. If you love a good coconut water, you need something on vacation, you definitely would reach for this and put it in your bag, okay? Moving on. Next up, let's talk about it. Honey, this is probably the fragrance miss that started this entire video. Honey, I have been reaching for this fragrance, and that is from Soldejaneiro, okay? This is Rio Radiance. OMG. If you all have this, pull it out, pull it out. This is so good. I have been reaching for this a lot more. I think my winter days are behind me, and I'm looking forward to the spring. And this, oh my goodness, I just sprayed it. This coconut, oh my gosh. Like, it gives me like this solar, like warm, sunny type of vibe. Definitely I'm on a beach. Vibing with this. It also kind of gives me a slight hint of a sunscreeny type of coconut vibe. But when I say it's good, it's pretty, it definitely gives you a tropical feel. I would highly recommend, if you were not able to get this, I hope they still have this. I don't know, but this is so good. This perfume mist is so pretty. It would pair immaculate with all your other like coconut fragrances. Even if you have, honey, Bombshell Isle and you pair it, it would pair amazing, right? You would get this like tropical, like creamy, but aquatic, okay, with that. Oh, it's so good. I would highly recommend. If you like a good coconut, this is what you want. Now, I mean, the lasting power on these easy reach, it's not 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's not that, sis. But when I say the pricing in this, honey, I'm good. I don't know about anyone else. It's not $400, $300 some odd dollars not working. but I am good with this coin and it not lasting as long. It gives me about 2 hours, but you can always respray this and respray this up. Sometimes it depends, like if you put an oil with this, ooh, that Nest coconut oil, let's talk about it. You put that with this, oh, it'll easily give you about 4 hours, okay? No problem at all, all right? Moving on. Speaking of Nest, speaking of Sunkissed, let's trickle on down to Sunkissed Hibiscus. Do you all have this? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this, honey. It gives me a little bit of the citrus vibes, definitely some floral notes, but that coconut in this sits so beautiful. I love this. Oh my gosh, it just takes, oh, take me there. I want to go there. I want to go on vacation is what, take me there. Then y'all remember that? Take me to that place. I'm probably messing up the words. It's fine. It's fine. Y'all remember that song. Rugrats, y'all remember that. Maybe some of y'all. It depends on how old you are. But, you know, your sis go left. But this is so pretty. I absolutely love this. This is definitely, okay, spring, tropical, vacation. I just want to be on the island with the coconut. The coconut. I just want to be right there. We have some coconut, some frangipani, okay? We have some tuberose in this. We have some amber, so it definitely gives you this warm scent. This is beautiful. I would highly recommend. And even if you don't like tuberose, try this, okay? This is very good, okay? It has tuberose, it has gardenia, it has some orange blossom, honey. Even if you don't like a good tuberose note, I would absolutely try this because it might change your mind, honey. Nah, well, then they gonna change my mind since about no tuberose. It might, honey. It got coconut in it. Next up, let's talk about it. I don't know if you can get this fragrance. I don't know, but you might be able to peep this on a site, maybe a discounted site. I mean, still hook yourself up. But I am talking about none other than Angel Ice Star. Oh my goodness. When I tell you this coconut, ooh, baby. This gives me a coconut, but a creamy, ooh, it gives me like a, ooh. It's so good. Oh my gosh. It's a creamy, tropical type of scent with the coconut. This is so pretty. This is so good. I hope you have it in your collection. Pull it out, okay? And I paired this with this. Oh, amazing, okay? I mean, nobody was talking to me because I was at my house, but it's okay. I was still smelling good. I just know it. I was complimenting myself. But this is so pretty. When I say pineapple, coconut, vanilla, patchouli, and praline, you can't get no better. Like, can you get better? I mean, those notes, like, come on. Hook yourself up. So if you see it, grab it. Do not think twice. You want it. You want to be on the hunt for this and find this, okay? Again, this is Angel Ice Star, and it is so good. Definitely a long lasting to me. Honey, I don't know, but this lasts long on my body. It gives me about 5 hours, and I appreciate it. I mean, I'm good. But other than that, after the 5 hours, it definitely sits close to skin. But pineapple, coconut, honey, do we really have to talk about this? And then if you have that Rio pineapple mango, okay, fragrance, that online exclusive from Bath and Body Works, pairing it with this, second to none. You're doing something, all right? Moving on. And honey, I had to put an honorable mention. I've talked about her 100 times, but I definitely had to put this as an easy reach. Honey, honestly, you can easy reach this on down to date night. Like, it's just that type of thing. But we have kayali, and this is Utopia Vanilla Coco. I have to read the words. Like, it's a lot. It is what it is. But all that to say, if you like a good coconut and vanilla type of tropical, like a vacation type of scent, all right? Ooh, you want it. You want this. And again, I was not liking this at first spray. I was not checking for this. I've talked about this before. I let this sit, and when she sat and I came back to it, I was like, oh, this is what we doing? Oh, that's what we doing? So good. Hook yourself up. This is a great tropical type of fragrance for you to take on your tropical trip, okay? Because I know we planning. If we not planning, we probably on the beach right now, okay? Next up, honey, I have to talk about it. I actually got this as a sample. I've been looking at this fragrance, but really have not gotten this or kind of took the plunge to get this. But this, I don't know. It might be changing my life too. But that is none other than Replica, okay? And this is Beach Walk. Do you all have this? You probably do. I am just checking for this, and when I say, ooh, I think I need this in my collection for real, for real. For real, for real? Honey, oh my goodness, this definitely gives me beach, but it gives me like a kind of a salty type of beach, coconut type of feel. Oh, it puts me in the mindset of like Miami. Meet me in Miami. Like, definitely puts me in Miami vibes. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I definitely will be adding this to my collection soon. Definitely, this is going to be on my wish list. I have enjoyed. Honey, if you have any samples, pull them out, okay? Because maybe they have been sitting in your drawer and you don't know what discoveries is in that drawer, okay? Pull it out. I think I got this sample from Sephora. So if you purchase anything from Sephora and you want to try Beach Walk, pick it. Because sometimes we bypass the picking the samples. Some of us don't, but some of us be bypassing that free step. Don't bypass no free steps, sis. All right, moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my Easy Reach coconut fragrance, okay? What are some of your Easy Reach coconut fragrances? I would love to know. Comment down below, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up so other people can see this channel and see this video. And subscribe, okay? Put me out there. Sharing is caring. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.